Listen up. What I'm about to show you could save you thousands of dollars in dealership fees. I'm talking about tricks that mechanics use on their own cars but would never tell customers about. Why? Because these shortcuts cut into their profits. Let me be clear. Nothing in this video is actually illegal. These are legitimate maintenance techniques and diagnostic tricks that work perfectly fine. But dealerships would rather charge you $200 for services you can do yourself in 10 minutes. I've worked in the automotive industry for years. I've seen the markup. I've watched customers get upsold on services they don't need. And I've had enough. Today, I'm revealing 14 hidden Acura tricks that mechanics don't want you to know about. From resetting sensors without expensive scan tools to maintenance shortcuts that work just as well as the official methods, these are the real-world solutions that save time and money. Fair warning, some mechanics might get mad at me for sharing this stuff, but you deserve to know what your car can do. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to take control of your Acura's maintenance. Let's get started. Trick number 1. The secret oil life reset. Without a scan tool, dealerships charge $20 to $30 just to reset your maintenance reminder after an oil change. That's insane. Here's how to do it yourself in 10 seconds. No tools required. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Press and hold the select or info button on your dashboard or steering wheel. While holding it, turn the ignition to off, then back to on. Keep holding for about 10 seconds until you see the oil life percentage reset to 100%. Release the button. That's it. You just saved $20. This works on most Acuras from 2005 onwards, including the MDX, RDX, TLX, and ILX. Some newer models have a slightly different procedure. Go to the Vehicle Settings menu on your infotainment screen. Navigate to Maintenance Info. Select Reset and confirm. Either way, you don't need a mechanic or a $3,000 scan tool to do this. Trick number 2. The free diagnostic code. Reader trick. Your check engine light comes on. The dealership wants $150 just to plug in a scanner and read the code. Here's the secret. You can read the codes yourself for free. On older Acuras, 1990s to early 2000s, there's a manual way to read codes without any tool. Locate the service connector under your dashboard and use a paperclip to jump to specific terminals. The check engine light will blink out diagnostic codes. For newer Acuras, just buy a $25 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner from Amazon. Plug it into the port under your steering wheel. Download a free app and read codes instantly. That $25 tool will pay for itself the first time you use it. Trick number 3. The DIY throttle body cleaning method. Dealerships charge $200 to $400 to clean your throttle body. You can do it yourself for $10 and 20 minutes of your time. Here's how. Buy a can of throttle body cleaner from any auto parts store, about $8 to $12. Pop your hood and locate the air intake tube connected to your throttle body. Remove the air intake tube. Usually, it's held on by a clamp you can loosen with a screwdriver. You'll see the throttle plate inside the throttle body. It'll probably have black carbon buildup on it. Spray the throttle body cleaner directly onto the throttle plate. Use a clean rag or toothbrush to scrub away the buildup. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Reconnect the air intake tube. Start the engine and let it idle. It might run rough for the first 30 seconds as it adapts, then it'll smooth out. Your throttle response will feel like new, and you just saved $350. Mechanics don't want you knowing how easy this is. Trick number 4. The battery terminal cleaning hack. Your car won't start reliably. The dealership wants to sell you a new battery for $300. But wait, check your terminals first. Most dead battery problems are actually just corroded terminals. That white or blue crud blocks the electrical connection. Here's how to fix it. Mix baking soda and water into a paste. Disconnect the battery terminals, negative first, then positive. Use an old toothbrush to scrub the terminals and cable ends with the baking soda paste. The corrosion will fizz and dissolve. Rinse with water and dry completely. Reconnect the terminals. positive first, then negative, and tighten them down. Total cost: maybe $2 for baking soda if you don't already have it, and you just saved yourself a $300 battery that you didn't need. Trick number 5. The air filter check and clean. Dealerships love to show you a dirty air filter and sell you a new one for $50 to $80, but here's what they don't tell you. Most of the time, you can clean it. For reusable filters, remove the air filter from the airbox and tap it on the ground to knock out loose dirt. If it's a paper filter, you can use compressed air to blow out dirt from the inside out. Don't blow from the outside in. That pushes dirt deeper into the filter. Unless your filter is actually torn or completely clogged with oil, cleaning extends its life significantly. Check your air filter every 12,000 miles. If it's not terrible, just clean it and save the $60. If you're finding these tricks helpful, smash that like button and subscribe. More money-saving tips coming your way. Trick number 6. The cabin air filter replacement. This is one of the biggest ripoffs at dealerships. They charge $40 to $80 to replace a cabin air filter. The filter itself costs $10 to $20 online, and it takes 5 minutes to replace. No tools required on most models. Here's how. Your cabin air filter is usually behind the glove box or under the dashboard on the passenger side. On most Acuras, open the glove box, squeeze the sides to release the stops, and the glove box will drop down. You'll see a plastic cover behind it. Remove it, usually just clips. Pull out the old cabin air filter and note which direction the airflow arrows are pointing. Slide in the new filter with the arrows pointing the same direction. Replace the cover and glove box. Done. 5 minutes. You just saved $60. Trick number 7. The brake fluid test and top off. Brake fluid is one of those things mechanics love to upsell because people don't understand it. Your brake fluid is dark. You need a full flush. $150. Here's the truth. Yes, brake fluid should be changed every 3 to 5 years, but you don't always need a full flush. Do this check yourself. Pop the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir near the back of the engine bay. Look at the fluid. Fresh fluid is clear to light amber. Dark brown or black means it's old. Check the level. It should be between min and max. If the level is low but the fluid looks clean, just top it off with the correct .3 or .4 fluid. If the fluid is dark, then yes, you should flush it. But at least now you know whether you actually need the service or not. Mechanics count on you not checking. Now you can. Trick number 8. The tire rotation pattern. Dealerships charge $30 to $50 to rotate your tires. If you have a jack and 4 jack stands, you can do this yourself in 30 minutes. Here's the pattern for most Acuras. Front-wheel drive or AWD. Front left goes to rear right. Front right goes to rear left. Rear left goes to front left. Rear right goes to front right. This is the cross pattern, and it ensures even tire wear. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, ideally when you're changing your oil. Do it yourself 4 times a year, and you just save $200 annually. Trick number 9. The coolant level check and top off. Mechanics will tell you that you need a coolant flush for $120 when sometimes all you need is a top off. Here's how to check. Make sure your engine is completely cold. Never open the coolant system when hot. Locate the coolant overflow tank. It's a translucent plastic tank near the radiator with min and max markings. Check the level. If it's between the marks, you're fine. If it's low, top it off with a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water. Use Acura Blue Type 2 coolant or equivalent. If you're constantly adding coolant, you have a leak. Find it and fix it. But most of the time, coolant just needs a simple top off, not a full flush. Trick number 10. The power steering fluid check. If your Acura has hydraulic power steering, the fluid should be checked regularly. Mechanics love to sell power steering flushes for $100 plus, but most of the time, it just needs a top off. Here's what to do. Locate the power steering fluid reservoir under the hood. It usually has a dipstick cap. Check the level when the engine is warm. It should be between min and max. If it's low, top it off with compatible power steering fluid, not ATF unless your manual specifically says so. If the fluid looks dark or has debris, then consider a flush. But if it's just low and still looks clean, a simple top-off is fine. Don't let a mechanic talk you into a $120 flush when you only need 50 cents worth of fluid. Trick number 11, the spark plug inspection trick. Dealerships charge $200 plus for spark plug replacement and will often recommend it earlier than necessary. Here's how to check if you actually need new plugs. Most Acura Iridium spark plugs are good for 100,000 to 120,000 miles. Check your manual. If you're not at that mileage yet, you probably don't need new plugs unless you're having misfires. If you want to check them yourself, you can remove one plug and inspect it. If the electrode still looks good and isn't excessively worn, put it back and save your money. Mechanics assume you don't know how long plugs last, so they try to sell them early. Now you know better. Trick number 12, the transmission fluid color check. This is a big one. Transmission flushes cost $200 to $400, and sometimes they're pushed on you when you don't need them yet. Here's how to check your transmission fluid condition yourself. On models with a dipstick, pull it out when the engine is warm and idling. Look at the fluid. It should be bright red or pink. If it's dark brown or black and smells burnt, then yes, you need a change. If it's still red or slightly darker but doesn't smell burnt, you're fine for now. If your transmission shifts smoothly and the fluid looks decent, don't let a mechanic scare you into a $400 flush. Trick number 13, the wheel alignment. Self-check. Wheel alignments cost $80 to $150, and shops will often recommend them even when you don't need one. Here's how to check yourself. Drive on a flat, straight road. Loosen your grip on the steering wheel. Does the car pull to one side? That's a sign of alignment issues. Is your steering wheel off-center when driving straight? Another sign. Check your tires for uneven wear. If the inside or outside edge is wearing faster, your alignment is off. If none of these symptoms exist, you don't need an alignment. Only get an alignment when you actually have symptoms or after suspension work. Trick number 14, the dashboard warning light reset. Sometimes warning lights stay on even after you fix the problem. Dealerships charge $50 to $100 to clear codes and reset lights. You can do it yourself. Buy that $25 OBD2 scanner I mentioned earlier. Plug it in, read the codes, fix the issue, then use the scanner to clear the codes. The warning light will turn off. Alternatively, on some Acuras, you can disconnect the battery for 10 minutes and it'll clear most codes. Obviously, only do this if you've actually fixed the underlying problem. Don't just clear codes to hide issues. But once you've made the repair, there's no reason to pay someone $75 to press a button. Important disclaimer. Look, I need to be clear about something. These tricks work, and they're legitimate ways to maintain your Acura. But use common sense. If you're not comfortable working on your car, don't force it. Get help. If you're dealing with safety systems like brakes or steering and you're not confident, take it to a professional. These tricks are meant to save you money on routine stuff and help you avoid getting ripped off on unnecessary services. Use your judgment. Why mechanics don't want you. Knowing this, the truth is, dealerships and repair shops make a lot of money on simple services that you can do yourself. Oil changes, air filters, fluid top-offs. These are cash cows because they're easy, quick, and most people don't know how to do them. When you start doing this stuff yourself, their revenue drops. That's why they don't advertise how easy most of this is. But I believe you should have the knowledge to take care of your own car if you want to. Not everyone has the time or interest, and that's fine. Mechanics serve an important role. But if you do want to save money and learn how your car works, you deserve to have that information. So there you have it. 14 illegal tricks that aren't actually illegal at all. Just methods that mechanics would rather you not know about. From resetting maintenance lights to doing your own fluid checks, these are the real-world shortcuts that save you time and money. None of this is complicated, none of it requires expensive tools, and all of it puts you in control of your Acura's maintenance. So the next time a mechanic tries to upsell you on a service you don't need, you'll know exactly what to say. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.